Hey everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to discuss another Leetcode problem statement, that is longest substring without repeating character. It's a problem number 3 of medium category. So we have given a string, and what we have to do, we just have to find the length of longest substring. So in this example, you can see we have a substring ABC. Also, we have CAB. Along with that, we have BCA. So three substrings are there with longest non-repeating characters, and we have to find the maximum length, and that we have to return. So in another example, you can see we have B 5 times, and output is 1. It means only one is the valid, others are not valid. Along with that, the other example we have, so here we have longest substring without repeating characters is either WKE or it will be KEW. It's two thing, either of them you can use it. So let me quickly jump to the board and we will discuss the approach. So here I have taken one example where we have a string given ABCD and the output is 4. Why? Because this 4 is the longest non-repeating substring. In order to solve this problem statement, we need few things. The first thing, like, we are going to use sliding window approach. For that we need two things. The first thing will be the start variable. It will initialize from 0. The other one is end variable. This will initialize from 0 again. We are going to use set in order to hold the unique values. At the end we need one size. This is just to calculate this one. As we need longest, so we are going to initialize this one with minimum value. Let me quickly add the indexes over here, and the index will start from first, where we have S and E. S is denoting to start, E is denoting to end. First it will see whether this A is present in the set or not. It is not, so what it will do, it will simply add the value A. After adding, it will calculate the size. In order to calculate the size, we have to use this formula n minus start plus 1. This is to calculate the window. So end is 0, start is 0, and plus 1. So the size will be 1, whichever is the maximum that we will consider. After that, we just have to increment the value E. Again, we'll see whether this B is present in the set or not. It is not, so we will add this value. After adding that, we have to calculate the size. Now size will be 1 minus 0 plus 1. Using same formula, it will be 2. After that, again we will increment the value of E. Again it will see whether this C is present in the set or not. It is not, so we will add and we will calculate the size, so it will become 3. Again after that, again it will increment the value of E. It will see whether this D is present in the set or not. It is not, so we will add it, and after that we just have to calculate the value of size. Again it will increment the value, and this time it will find that okay, this A is already present in this given set. So what it will do, first it will remove this A, second it will increment the value of S, and third it will calculate the size. So 3 minus 1, that is 2, plus 1, so we are getting 3, but we have 4 which is maximum, so we will consider the maximum one, so 4 will remain same. After that, what you have to do, you just have to add this A value in the list. So let me add this A in the given set. And then we just have to increment the value of E. After incrementing of E, again it will see whether this B is present in the set or not. Yes, it is there. So it will remove it. It will increment the value of S, and at the end it will calculate. So while calculation, it will find like 5 minus 2 is 3, plus 1 4. This time also we are getting 4, but we have already size as 4, so we are not going to update. It will remain as it is, and at the end we just have to return this size. So this is the approach we are going to follow. Let me quickly jump to the Leetcode compiler and we'll write the code for the same. As discussed, the first thing we need is set. Why we are keeping this set? Set is having a property which will hold the unique value. So I'm using this result. In order to hold this one, what I'm going to do, I'm just using linked hash set. Okay. In the very next step, we need one variable called start, which will initialize from 0. Another end, again it will initialize from 0. Also we need one variable called size, and this one we are going to initialize with min value. Now while the given end is less than s dot length, in the very next step what we have to do, we just have to take the first character. How we will get the character? So I'm taking as s dot caret of end. After that, what we have to do, we just have to check whether this result holds this particular current or not. If it is there, then what we have to do, first we have to remove it. From where? We have to remove it from the given result. How we will remove? Again, it will be s dot char at of start. After removing this one, we just have to simply increment the value of start. In the very next step, what we have to do, if it is not there in the list, then simply we just have to insert that particular value in the given set. So I'm just adding it. After that, just calculate the size. To calculate the size, we have to use math.max, either size or end minus start plus 1, whichever is greater, that we will consider as the size. And after that, simply increment the value of end. At the end, we just have to return the size. So size will be, if it is equal to integer dot min value, the way we have initialized it, then we just have to return 0, or else we have to return the size. Let me execute this code and we'll see whether it's working properly or not. Okay, so all the 3 test cases passed successfully. Let me submit this solution. So all 988 test cases passed successfully. So this is the approach we have to follow in order to solve this problem statement. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your day.